Welcome. It is August the 17th of 2026, and deciding to love yourself now will aid the evolution of the world. And that's what I was meant to tell you today, and that is how I will become a billionaire. And if you know me, money is not the thing that I would normally lead with a video or a talk or anything. And if you probably know me, you know that's not been my focal point. And people would say, well, Roger had difficulty with money. And I will tell you that was never the case. And it's not the case for you either. It is accepting yourself. It is loving yourself. It is about becoming your authentic self. And that is a journey, an individual journey that we each will do, and we'll do it in different ways. But for every single person, it only occurs in our consciousness. That's all. And our consciousness is formed in different ways and is formed at different times. And we happen to live in the world. And when we were born and our families, where we grew up, our country, whatever it might be. But the most important thing is you want to know who you are. You want to know how you can live a great life. You want to know how you can move through the difficulties or challenges you might have had. You want to understand yourself. You want to understand the world. You want all of those things. And that's what I was given through Wilhelm. And today I can tell you, because more people will probably believe it today, because I had difficulty believing myself, and that is the only challenge any of us has in our lives, is believing that we are the ones to do whatever it is that's in front of us. So it doesn't matter what thing it is that you are doing in your life. There's an energetic contribution that you're making to the world if you decide to do it. If you decide to move beyond your fear, your doubt, and your belief that maybe you weren't the person to accomplish that. But I will tell you that I do know that you are that person. Now, we can develop very different gifts or talents, and sometimes they may cause us some difficulty. And that's what happened for me. You see, because I recognize now that I downloaded this order of the universe and your place in it, and that's why I was healing, and that's why I was understanding things, but I didn't know I was accomplishing that. And it had to be revealed to me. And the same is true for you. We just do it in different ways. And to put myself in the realms of, like Abraham Maslow, Carl Jung, or Einstein, well, the information that came through said, yeah, well, we are all in that place if we decide that we're going to love ourselves and move through our evolutionary passages and become more. And that's what today is about. And I'm going to give you this one. You'll see my blog, so you'll see all of it, because there's absolutely no reason for any person to suffer or struggle anymore, because I had to accept that I did receive this information, but I was doubting myself. But you'll see it all for yourself, and it's been proven scientifically. I always wanted to have something that was verifiable, meaning that someone was going to know that it was based in science, that it was going to give you real results and not just something that doesn't make any sense to anyone. And you will see that that's exactly what happened. This is the first personal development system in history that's guaranteed, because I lived it and I understood it all, and the science explains it. So anyone who uses it would change and live the life they're supposed to have. Now, we will not all do that, because we will resist ourselves, just as I did, because we have to keep going into that unknown of who we are, and also the unknown of the world. What are people going to think about me? What's going to happen if I decide that I'm going to really become myself? Well, that's what I'm doing today, because today is the day, and you'll see all of that. I've held myself back, and because this is something that could really change so much in anyone's life, first of all, but in our world, because we're the ones who are creating it. We want to look at a world, and if we want something better, then it's about us becoming who we could become. And that's what I must do. And, 75 years old, it's time now. So how long are you going to take? But I've received all the information. So there's no reason for any person to struggle or suffer. And that's what I really am owning today, because it is time. The same for you. I am no different. We all resist ourselves. And so today is the day. Now, you see, this was last year. And what you will see is that I developed this ability to receive information, interpret it, and it's organized. And it was a year before it's actually showing up. And you'll notice all of it as you go through the information. Today is the day. While you each have held your ideas of when that day would arrive in your lives, we will tell you it is today. None of you showed up here accidentally, and you had a role to play that aligned with your evolutionary journey and the current planetary ascension. Our messenger's role was to bring our philosophy to you, and none of you, including him, could have known that, but today you will. We have answered every question you could have had about your life and world, and now you can take the next step as he will. You each come to the physical plane to offer something new, but because of that, you have difficulty accepting your creation or the ones coming from others you have yet to recognize. You will today. And as you will see, you will go through each day. Now, this is something we haven't seen in our human history, so it took a while for me to accept, but we haven't seen you in human history either, so you would have the same difficulty. But you will notice that every day I receive what's called a quantum philosophy. All of these messages lead to one particular culmination coming on a particular day. That's how we grow in our awareness, and you'll see all of that. Um, it's all explained in the blog that I put up, but I never could have imagined that I would have done this, and there will be something within you that you probably won't believe you could accomplish. But I will tell you, there's nothing that's impossible. That was the thing I wanted to prove. Then there was another thing that happened when I was told years ago, as I was working on this program, that you can't create something that's going to work for people, that's going to give them everything they want. They won't do it. Part of that is true, but that's only because I didn't charge enough money. That's the other part that's true, why I'm talking about the billionaire thing, because the part of this movement, this change that's happening in our lives and in the world, is that we needed to accept more abundance of ourselves, which means just accepting who we are. And that is ascension, that's personal development, and it's self-actualization. And what this work gives anyone is self-mastery. And that's what my entire life was about, bringing this through. And now I'm going to do that. So please enjoy the information, because no matter what, whether you come into this work with me or whatever, you will see that it'll change you just from the information you will read in there, because we all evolve the same way, and it's in consciousness. And there are no limits to what you can achieve or accomplish unless we stop ourselves. I stopped myself. So I do understand, but no longer. That's why today I'm changing, and the rates are changing, because I know a lot of people will not do this unless it's much more money. That's just something we've built into ourselves, which is why we're seeing the world in the condition it is now, but we can change anything. And that's what I'm doing. Thank you for being here. Please share this with others and subscribe to the channel if you're on the YouTube channel. And follow along, because you will get so much value from this information. I'll see you soon.